Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the fastest, highest impact actions. Force stop Google Play services, then clear its cache from settings right arrow apps. Do this because cached corruption often causes repeated crashes. Clearing cache removes temporary files without losing accounts. Once done, reboot the phone to let Android rebuild those caches and relaunch services cleanly. Make sure your network is stable and battery above 20% so updates or service restarts don't fail mid-process. If crashes continue, uninstall Google Play Services updates via the Apps menu to revert to the factory build. This removes any bad update causing instability. Then reinstall updates from Play Store when stable. Also inspect app permissions. Enable required background data and location access because denied permissions can break service interactions. Verify system date/time and your Google account sync. Mismatches can trigger auth failures. If unsure, boot into safe mode to test whether a third party. Finish by updating Google Play Services and the Android system to the latest compatible versions so known bugs are patched. If problems persist, remove your Google account and re-add it after clearing Play Services data. This rebuilds auth tokens that often fix crashes. As a final fallback, perform a factory reset after making a complete backup. Do this only if nothing else works. Troubleshooting tip: if crashes still occur, test another user profile, or SIM, to isolate account versus device issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.